Where are we off to today, Pauline?
Fencing.
Right. Fencing where?
At Elkers.
At the runoff. Fencing at the runoff.
At the new paddock.
Right. Going to be a number of new paddocks. Right, we're off. Let's get out of here. Nice smooth track you got here, Pauline.
Yes, it is. Now better open the gate.
It's slower than me opening the gate. Right. Hi guys, well here's our first video of I guess the new venture and the things we're planning to do. Down at the runoff, the new runoff, there's quite a lot of acres to look after and quite a lot of fencing to do, so we're going to do the fencing in stages and I guess sort of strip graze it on the way until they've got the run of the whole show. A lot of exciting things to do along the way, so stay tuned. Catch you later, all the best, bye. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. So we're going across to that tree over there, down to sort of the next tree you can see, and across to the left to where the horses are at the moment. That'll give them about 10 acres here, while we repair the rest of this fence up here. Then we will move along, repair the fence along down there to the bush, and then shift the electric fence across there. Well, they've had their run. Now it's head down, rump up, and into it. As if they're not skinny enough already. Look at this. What are you eating? Look, what's that in your mouth? I know what it is. Look at him. Wow. Mr. Wally's getting impatient. Reckons Pauline's a bit slow getting your dinner.
No, Daddy let you out too early. Hang on.
It's coming along.
I'm going as fast as I can. You ready? Come on.
Back up. Back.
Come on, baby.
Once again, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the little bell if you want to see more.